Apron. No apron. You'll be fine. You've just invited one of Australia's favourite chefs over to prove how far you've come at cooking. Why have I done that? Oh, come in. Hey,
Jimmy!
mate. How's it going?
Very well.
What's that? Is that a knife set and an apron? What's that?
Yes, it is. But I just assumed when you said come around for a delicious dinner that you wanted me to cook it for you.
What? No, Adam. You've made cooking your life's work. I thought you deserved the night off. I'm cooking, but I've got a secret weapon.
Is it the giant HelloFresh box?
Maybe. Okay, Adam, you ready? I've got a few recipes in here. Do you know they have over 50 recipes to choose from every single week? But this is tonight's masterpiece. Beef rump and charred zucchini salad with harissa yogurt. You know harissa yogurt?
I've heard of it. Very exotic.
Yeah.
Are all of those ingredients...
Yes, they're all in here. Great value, by the way. This is my night, Adam. This is my night. Why don't you just go and rearrange my spice rack?
Where's the spice rack?
I don't have a spice rack.
All right, Jimmy, you win, but only because your eyebrows are deeply unsettling.
Thank you. Steak tip number 1. Don't move. Don't move. Remove steak, set aside at room temperature for 15 minutes before cooking. Is this easy?
Maybe you could move on to step 2 while you're waiting?
Yeah, good point. Adam?
Yes?
Adam, I feel like I'm more relaxed than you are and I'm the one cooking. Relaxing, have you heard of the concept?
I've heard of it.
Thinly sliced zucchini into sticks.
It says into sticks.
That's a stick. Now I need to cook zucchini, turning until tender.
It says to cook zucchini in batches.
I know. There you go again. You're trying to help. Look, it's all stepped out. The exact portions. Nothing could go wrong. You know what? You just need to relax. I've got something. Poppy, can you come and help Adam relax, please? Hi, Adam. Could I interest you in some calming acupuncture?
Are those builder's nails?
They're all just pointy things, aren't they? Oh, how about aromatherapy? What about laughter yoga? Your turn, laugh. Guided breathing, Adam. And in. Oh, and out.
I might just see what Jimmy's doing.
Suit yourself. Lost cause, Jimmy.
You know, that steak is actually looking great.
Only the best for you, my friend. Steak tip number 2. Press with your tongs to see how cooked it is.
The old tong test is a classic. Soft for rare, springy for medium, firm for well done. You know, I think I know why I can't relax.
The nails were too small?
No, it's all this. It's too calm, too easy. Where's the yelling, the chaos, the drama?
Oh, I see. This is the opposite of stressful. Well, if that's what helps you relax, I think I can help with that. Of course, I'll ask the chef. What is happening back here? Table 27's about to ride and table 8 has gone through 5 bread baskets already. Surprise inspection! I know it's the middle of the dinner rush, but frankly, I don't care. Go to cooking school, they said. Become a famous chef with your own TV show, they said. You happy now, Mum and Dad? That better?
Much better. Thank you.
There we go.
Jimmy, that looks
Yeah.
incredible.
Yes! Oh, why, thank you, chef. My pleasure. Shall we eat it?
Let's. You know, Jimmy, this is amazing. Great flavour.
Thank you. I knew being a chef was easy.
Is what now?
Sorry? Sorry?
Don't do the eyebrow thing again.
Oh, okay, sorry. So what's for dessert? Don't worry, it's in there too. Enjoy. Do you want a bite from mine?
No.
Return the flavour with HelloFresh.